I picked up the MAXXT 6-inch random orbit sander. Now this is quite a bit larger than a standard 5-inch round sander, and this is the one with a 5mm orbit. The sander feels very good in the hand, and it's actually lightweight too. Despite its larger size, it only weighs 2 pounds, 12 ounces. Now, dust collection is always the hang-up on these things. You're not sure if you want to get a new sander, if you have to mess with a new dust extractor or something too. Looks like the dust port on that, the outside diameter is 1 inch. And for that, it's just a press-on fitting with this hose that's included with the kit. So that presses on nicely as expected. But the other end of that is actually 1.5 inches for an outside diameter. And I was happy to see that because that perfectly matches my dust extraction hose. That's a nice snug fit, so I'm good. It's got a nice supple cord, and I notice this is a good bit longer than my other sanders, and that's a benefit for me because I don't have to use a short length extension cord to get over to my extractor. The controls are simple. Just push the button to power it on, and then variable speed is digital. So we'll start it in the middle of the range here and see how it does. Getting good suction from my extractor through this is kind of a mesh sandpaper that comes with it. Not necessarily a hole pattern, but just an open mesh. And really good dust extraction it looks like, but I'm interested on how it'll do sound-wise and vibration-wise if we turn that all the way up to max. Well, I don't know if it's the larger 6-inch size on this, but compared to my 3 other sanders, which are all 5-inch random orbit sanders, the vibration on this one is much lower. Plus there's actually a rubber overmold on the top of the handle there, and I think that makes it feel pretty good in the hand. Now with it unplugged from the dust collector, I'll let you hear just the sander as far as the noise level, starting at the low, and it's extremely quiet on low, and then we'll ramp it up. Even at 3/4 of the way up, not too bad. And about like you'd expect at the upper end of the spectrum, but you'll notice how quickly that spins down because of the brushless motor. And that's a nice feature. It just means you can set your sander down that much quicker and keep working. And if you're wondering, hey, is it worth it to jump up to a larger 6-inch sander? Just remember that this one is 120% the area of your 5-inch sander. And as far as how aggressive the sanding action, it really just depends on how high you have your motor speed set, but at the mid-range, it's really easy to handle and control. At the upper end, it can be a nice aggressive sander. And they even get you started with a selection of 6-inch sanding discs. Of course, that's a hook and loop disc, and those go on nice and securely. I didn't find anything coming loose in normal operation. A lot of times if I'm working with plywood or doing a cabinet project, I'll jump right to 180 grit, and that works well. Sands plywood up really quickly. And you know, if you have any pencil marks or residual paint on your lumber, it'll just erase that in short order. So if you've got a lot of sanding jobs in your future, I think this MAXXT is a good one. You get the extra capacity of that 6-inch disc, and I think it's very ergonomic with low vibration, so the MAXXT is a good one to go with.